Quick question. Have you ever realized you've been doing something wrong your entire life, like peeling a banana from the top instead of the bottom, or discovering too late that your microwave-safe container is in fact not? Yeah, we've all been there. Welcome back to Daily Shortcuts, your daily hub for quick tips, life hacks, and smart shortcuts that make everyday life easier. Whether it's productivity tricks, tech tips, or money-saving hacks, our mission is simple: work smarter, not harder. And today, we're exposing 7 everyday items you've probably been using wrong, and the fixes will actually change your life. Let's embarrass ourselves together. 1. Toothpaste, the minty lie. We've all believed. Here's the thing. Toothpaste ads lied to us. You know that perfect swirl covering the entire toothbrush like your mouth is about to star in a Colgate commercial? Yeah, completely unnecessary. According to the American Dental Association, adults only need a pea-sized blob of toothpaste. Kids under 6? Just a tiny grain of rice smear. That's it. Why? Because overusing toothpaste actually tricks you into brushing less. All that foam makes you feel like you're done, when in reality, plaque is still partying in your molars. Plus, for children, swallowing too much fluoride can cause fluorosis, those white streaks on teeth that no parent actually wants in school pictures. So, save your enamel and your wallet. Less paste, better brushing. Think of toothpaste like hot sauce. A little adds flavor, but too much and suddenly you're sweating, regretting and questioning your life choices. Next time you brush, ask yourself, do I want clean teeth or am I auditioning for a toothpaste commercial? 2. Kitchen sponges. Germ hotels with a 5-star rating. Brace yourself, because your kitchen sponge is dirtier than your toilet. Yep, you heard that right. Studies have found over 362 different species of bacteria in sponges, including lovely guests like E. coli and Salmonella. NSF International literally called sponges microbial incubators. Translation: you're spreading germs while trying to clean. Even rinsing them out won't save you. Sponges are warm, damp, and full of pores. Basically, a 5-star Airbnb for bacteria. A 2017 German study actually compared them to human intestines. Delicious. And the worst part? Every time you clean a plate with it, you're just redecorating your kitchen with microscopic hitchhikers. The fix? Replace your sponge every 1 to 2 weeks, microwave it for 1 minute while damp, or throw it in the dishwasher on a hot cycle. Better yet, upgrade to silicone scrubbers or Swedish dishcloths that dry quickly and resist bacterial growth. Your sponge isn't cleaning dishes, it's training bacteria for the Olympics. Time to kick it off the team before it earns a gold medal in germ spreading. 3. Smartphones. Battery abuse 101. We treat our phones like needy pets, plugging them in overnight, feeding them constant electricity, and then wondering why they die so young. Here's the science. Lithium-ion batteries hate being at 100% all the time. They also hate dropping to 0. The sweet spot, between 20 and 80%. That's why Apple and Samsung added optimized charging. It pauses your battery around 80% overnight and finishes just before your alarm rings. Heat is the other villain here. Playing games while charging, watching YouTube in bed while your phone fries on your chest. Yeah, you're cooking your battery from the inside out. On average, batteries last 2,500 cycles. Treat them badly and they degrade in a year. Treat them right, and you'll stretch that to 3 or 4 years, which means fewer $1,000 replacements. Your phone doesn't need an all-you-can-eat buffet at night. Give it healthy snacks, not an all-night pizza party. 4. Non-stick pans, death by metal spoon. If you've ever stirred your non-stick pan with a metal spoon, congratulations, you've committed cookware murder. Non-stick coatings, even the scratch-resistant ones, wear down when attacked with forks, knives, and careless stacking. Once scratched, food starts sticking, coatings flake off, and you basically bought yourself an overpriced frisbee. The fix is simple. Only use wooden, silicone, or nylon utensils. Store pans with paper towels or cloth between them. And when cleaning, ditch the steel wool. Soft sponges only. Bonus tip: newer ceramic nonstick pans are safer and last longer than traditional ones because they don't release harmful PFAs when overheated. So yes, grandma's cast iron will still outlive you, but at least your new pan won't self-destruct after 6 months. Think of it this way: every fork scrape is like adding years of therapy bills to your pan's lifespan. If you're using a fork on your nonstick pan, you might as well just skip dinner and eat Teflon flakes directly. 5. Dishwashers. You're wasting water, not saving it. Confession: most people pre-rinse dishes before loading the dishwasher. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. Modern dishwashers are designed to clean dirty dishes, not dishes you already washed. Pre-rinsing wastes up to 20 gallons of water per load. That's like flushing your dishwasher with bottled water before letting it do its job. The EPA says simply scrape off large chunks of food, load dishes strategically, plates in the middle, bowls on the sides, nothing blocking the spray arms, and let the machine work its magic. Running full loads only boosts efficiency. Fun fact, detergent enzymes actually need grime to activate properly, so a pre-rinse can make dishes come out dirtier. And the kicker? Dishwashers today use less water than hand washing, so skipping the pre-rinse is literally greener for the planet. Your dishwasher isn't judging you. Stop babying it with pre-cleaned plates like it's some fragile roommate. It's tougher than you think, and way smarter too. 6. Shoes you're lacing wrong and wrecking your feet. Blisters, sore arches, random foot pain. Sometimes the real villain isn't your shoes, but how you lace them. Most people shove laces straight across, ignoring that extra top hole on running shoes. That hole exists for heel lock lacing, which prevents your foot from slipping and cuts down on blisters by up to 40%. And then there's storage. Tossing shoes in a heap breaks down their shape and traps odor. Experts recommend using cedar shoe trees to absorb moisture, maintain form, and keep smells in check. Rotating pairs also gives them a full 24 hours to air out, which extends their lifespan significantly. Research in podiatry journals shows that nearly 70% of people wear or lace shoes incorrectly for their foot type, leading to long-term posture issues. Correcting this can prevent injuries and keep you comfortable for miles. Think of laces as tiny engineers. Tie them wrong and the whole building collapses. That extra hole on your sneakers isn't decorative. It's not a fashion Easter egg. Use it, and your feet will stop hating you. Maybe even thank you. 7. Shampoo and conditioner. Here's a plot twist. You're probably shampooing wrong. Most people dump half a palmful of shampoo on their head, scrub for 20 seconds, and then slap conditioner just on the ends. Not only is this wasteful, it's bad for your scalp health. Dermatologists say too much shampoo strips your natural oils, making your scalp produce even more oil, so your hair actually gets greasy faster. Conditioner isn't just for ends either. It helps hydrate your scalp and can even reduce irritation and flakiness. For fine or oily hair, reverse washing, using conditioner before shampoo has become a 2025 trend because it boosts volume without heaviness. Use a quarter-sized amount of shampoo, massage it gently, and rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle. Then use conditioner more generously, including the scalp, and let it sit for at least 2 minutes before rinsing. Your hair will look healthier, shinier, and last longer between washes. And the bonus? You'll also save money by not pouring half a bottle down the drain. Stop turning your shower into a bubble bath audition. Less product, better results. Your wallet, your hair, and probably your clogged drain will thank you. Quick recap. So, what have we learned today? A pea-sized toothpaste dab beats a foamy mouth volcano. Your sponge is secretly a germ-infested criminal. Your phone battery wants moderation, not all-night binges. Non-stick pans fear forks more than food. Dishwashers hate being micromanaged. Shoes have secret lacing powers, and your shampoo routine might be sabotaging your scalp. The big lesson? Life isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. These small fixes save you money, time, and health. And the best part? They make you feel just a little smug when you watch someone else do it the wrong way. Remember, the most powerful hacks aren't just shortcuts for stuff, they're shortcuts for you. If you had an aha moment today, hit like. If you don't want to miss tomorrow's hacks, hit subscribe and smash that notification bell. And in the comments, tell me, which everyday item have you been using wrong all this time? Because here at Daily Shortcuts, we don't just hack life, we make life laughably easier.